Today, during your word study time, you're going to practice the verb changes by adding ing, just like we did in the lesson. You will take a card, and then you will decide what ing ending needs to be added to the word. Let's give it a try. Refer. I know refer, I need to add another R and then add ing. So I will write it in this category right here. Take the next card. The next card is elect. I know with elect, there's not anything that I need to do to it, so I will just simply write it here and add the ing to the end of it. My last card that I'm going to draw is compare. I know with compare, I need to drop that silent E and add ing, so it will go in this column right here. Make sure to finish this activity with taking the rest of your cards and adding the ing into the correct category.